Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I got two things in mind. I got one that I want to see how many times with the golden
What's the on
pickaxe.
Delphi?
I know the new update! Guys, I know the new update! What's up?
I want to see how many hits it takes. Then I want to see if I can make it be able to do a one hit. Why am I not joining a private? There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna see how many hits it takes for one tree. I do not want to go in there actually alone. So first things first, let's actually do how many times does it hit for me to hit join with no PvP to find a modded lobby. Hit start. Yo. Who's in here? Okay, so I'm going to join this. Here's one. Two. Also not modded.
Hey, Green.
I think it's supposed to be a map.
3. Three. 3. Here's number 3.
Wish luck.
Why do you
4.
Oh?
Number 5. Is my internet?
I'm already in office.
Oh my god.
Would anyone like to trade me for Would anyone want to trade something with this?
Yeah.
That's really Yeah.
Guys,
Everyone back office.
they brought back on.
Yo,
I'll
be the way
on the guitar. I'll play.
Oh, guys, I know the new update. Go in your locker, you can now see the colors. You can
already. It's on
you can see the colors. If you're one of the items in your locker is like
our band.
Can someone give me a grappler?
It's the office update. They actually.
who cares? Yo, the stuff in your locker, the colors have changed. Not even moving the thing.
Hold on, let me.
Yo, that's actually sick.
This is our band.
Yo, can you give me a grappler?
What's that key card for?
Yo, that's actually
in the
sick.
middle of a. Hey, we need to go to
Yo,
the
can you give me a
stage.
grappler?
Yo, Green, we need to go to the stage. Come on. Stop begging.
And it also tells you what
Come
size
with me
it
to the
is.
forest.
Holy cow.
trying to work for it.
Hello?
What's this update?
Narch. Narch.
I'm gonna play.
Who wants to come to the forest with me?
Is there anything else about this update?
Does everyone want to come to the forest
Alright, let me
with
that.
me?
This is sick.
Come to forest with me?
This is
What?
that is not what it
Anyone?
looks like in Stash, but okay.
Those are new. None of those are new, Bucko.
No, this is a sick update. I actually
Yeah, like I love this update.
I can actually see now that some of my pumpkin pies are on Galaxy.
Yeah, come on,
There's a Galaxy pie if anyone wants it.
Oh my.
Sorry, no.
Oh my god! Then give me. Then give me.
Yo, this is actually very sick.
And he has Scott.
I actually have been looking for that. Okay.
Why does someone put brainer on? Why do people put brainer on? Can you give me blah blah, please? Give me blah blah. Can you give me
What is
blah
bra
please?
bra?
Give me blah blah. Give me blah blah. Give me blah blah.
That's actually
Yo, can you? Hey, who wants to go mining? You want to go mining with me?
You also get to see the backpack size.
I don't have
too.
one.
Well, I'm gonna go.
No.
Intel tiny. Here's a tiny backpack.
Where
are you going?
Wait, so what's what is it?
Here's a tiny backpack.
Wait, so what's the new
update
other than Office?
Yeah, that is tiny.
There's
I
girl.
want-
Oh, me.
I want blah blah. Can you give me blah blah, please?
Hey, you
What is blah blah?
You wanna grab a lure?
Give me blah blah.
I give you one. I got you, bro. I got you. That's stupid.
Oh,
dude, I got you a
here's a
grappler.
huge egg.
I got you a grappler.
Someone just got a huge egg. I'm gonna take out one of these pink thingies. Huge.
I have short crab.
Yeah, they brought back office. Can I do my items now? Can I do my items? I'm getting the office.
Oh my god.
Tiny.
Look at, I
Large.
found a big gun. I found a big
Tiny.
gun.
Can I see that real quick?
Look.
I won't
Tree
see
stick.
it.
I got a tree stick,
Can I
man.
see it?
Guys, I'm going to.
Can I
I
hold it?
can't see it.
Tiny.
Can I hold it?
Huge, tiny. I can even.
Okay, I got you.
There's a tiny.
I got
I
an
wanna go to the new map.
There's
I
small.
wanna go to the new
There's
map.
two smalls. There's a tiny. There's just a regular size, and then a tiny. I got a regular size OG backpack. But it's not the real regular color. That is sick. Yo.
Whoever does this, you're out.
Okay. No, I'm checking it. I'm checking this. What? No.
Yeah, you can.
They finally had the dupe machine again. Yeah, they did. Heck yeah. Duplication machine is back, guys. You can't hook shot. Can't hook shot. Anywhere in here. No more. I hate the new hookshot update. That's the only thing I hate about it. Oh wait, I can. You can hook on these walls, but no other wall. You what? And here it is. It's only up still there? No, only up. But duplication machine. Oh. You can still scale the roof, kind of. Oh, is the crazy lady back? I honestly actually missed the crazy lady. Till she starts sneaking up on you. There she is. Hi. Yo! She just respawned, so I'm gonna know. If she could have respawned on top of me. So duplication machine is back.
If you wanna go mining and go to Canopy, join code MINE. If you wanna, come on guys, let's go. This is the new office revamp. Join code MINE.
this should be actually not. This is gonna be hecka cool now because now we can get actual different colors of stuff without
Yo,
money.
who wants a giveaway?
Yo, who wants me to do
Who wants a fucking giveaway?
wants me to do stuff for them?
Dude, where'd you go?
I'm a gliding bot.
I'm on top of
Mine, mine,
to the top.
mine.
Fucking giveaway
At
bags.
the top.
At the top of the climbing elevator.
Of course, someone
fucking
just blew
more.
everything up.
I don't give a shit. Kill yourself. Where are you right now?
Hey, why are you being mean? I like this
Bitch,
game.
I'm the one giving away shit, so I don't want to hear that.
Wait, what?
But why are you being
That's
mean?
where eggs go.
Because I fucking can.
Yo, Green,
Hold on,
also,
guys.
by the way,
Where are you?
But
What
that's
else
not
did you guys
nice.
get away?
Everybody, don't
grab it on this
Don't
one.
go.
They're on here.
Don't go.
On here.
Don't
Your
go
parents
to
are
the brand
very
new
bad
home.
people.
Let's
Who wants to go to
give
99 nights in the forest? Who wants to go to 99
I
nights
don't
in
want
the
this,
forest?
so y'all can just have this shit. Really don't want it. I fucking hate this shit. Y'all can just have it. It's from a fucking mining adventure. I hate it. Let's go do this.
What is this?
Everyone,
Y'all
report
can-
the duck. Report the duck.
Motherfucker, what did I do? I'm giving away stuff from to y'all.
Wait, did I
You're saying
say?
too much bad words.
Motherfucker, it's called being go some balls.
Kidding.
Okay, I can give y'all this.
I'm keeping that.
Suitcase.
I'm going to
I don't care, you know.
You can be Lybot. Can you
See,
give
I'm
me
gonna report me. Okay. Hey, snowball right here. Snowball. Who wants it?
Me, I want it. I want the snowball. But you just walk
Go
it back.
fucking catch it. I wonder if people are actually gonna go for it.
Yeah,
I
I
don't-
know that there's nothing in there.
Whoever goes for it,
No,
is,
there's a snowball in there. There's definitely a snowball in there. I'm not even lying to y'all. There's a snowball in there. But I guess I can give out one more of these. I can give y'all this, another egg bag,
They heavy.
just to be fucking generous.
Can you give away?
Yo,
Can you
what
give
happened to
away?
this guy?
Have you guys got any more small galaxy things? Galaxy robots.
It's so pretty.
I've already
Put 'em
want
in my
a small
bag.
Y'all not gonna take the suitcase? Soji!
I don't want it.
Wait,
Oh my god!
Wait,
I worked my ass off for that suitcase. Damn.
I got a bag full of
Nice.
goo.
I got a bag full of goo, guys. I got a bag full of goo.
It's heavy.
no one
I
cares.
don't think anyone
It's
wants to
very
do if it's not
heavy.
Galaxy. Cause this guy just gave out like $100 million worth of stuff.
Yeah, I know. Money talks.
Gotcha.
I can give you a large Dawn hammer. Fuck yeah.
I'll have a large Dawn hammer.
I'll like that.
I can give y'all some more stuff. I can give y'all a quiver. I don't want this quiver, so y'all can just fucking have it. I will not give y'all my galaxy
so
bag,
much.
tragically.
Then why did you give out Galaxy eggs?
Because my galaxy bag has all galaxy items in it. And y'all can just have that galaxy flashlight bag.
Dude, do a giveaway of pets. Do a giveaway of pets.
The fuck you
All
mean,
pets
pets?
in the same. This game does not have
Bro,
Pokemon.
bro, what about grow a gun? What the
Yeah. Dump all the eggs.
Okay,
Not
guys.
grow a garden.
Chat. This is like the biggest giveaway I did so far.
I don't care.
You
So
can do my inventory so y'all can just have this. Yeah, have it all.
I don't care about the suitcase.
Pumpkin, oh fuck yeah, I need the pumpkin.
Throw this on me. Someone throw this.
Here, you can have the Inferno
I'll
bag
take
too.
this.
The
Rarest bag, rarer than fucking Galaxy. Inferno is rarer than Galaxy. Get it correct.
Yo,
Someone
wait.
throw this at me. Someone throw this at me.
You need to grab it out of the. Yo, White.
Throw this at me.
Put it on your back.
No, not
Bro,
that.
can you throw this at me?
And now grab
Oh, I
one.
can give y'all this. Do y'all want this?
Watch.
You have to
I'll
grab
give
it.
y'all this.
Here, let me show you.
And throw it on my face.
So you have to drop
Go
it.
get the bag.
Who wants like a big
Has
cup?
a landmine in it.
Follow me. Follow
I got my
me.
big cup. No? You know what
Yo,
it is.
wait. Where's the bag? This?
Follow me.
I got my big cup.
Follow
You know
me.
what it is.
Follow
You
me.
know what it is.
Yeah, bro.
One sec.
Holy crap.
Are y'all grateful for this giveaway?
No.
Giant crowbar?
Okay, come
Yeah, I'm so grateful. Bro, you're such a good person, man.
Fuck it.
Okay,
Gone always heal.
okay.
But how do you
Show
use
you.
it again?
I'm gonna show you. So you have to drop it real
In this
quick.
car. Yeah.
Okay, so I believe if you put on. Oh, do I have something? Okay. No. How do,
See you guys, I'm
Oh, wait.
joining the code mod.
how do you do this?
Hey, green, 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 green.
Hey. Oh.
Oh.
I think you like.
I know you have to
you
grab
did
it or somehow.
I think you hit do that and then.
Sadly,
No, that doesn't go in hit slots.
over.
Can you buy one? Can you give me green apple? Green broccoli?
Are y'all grateful for this giveaway?
No.
I'm not grateful. I'm VPN. Okay, giveaway over. How'd you know I can do? How'd you know I can fucking do? Yes, it does.
Wait, how do you get your VPN? I used to have one, but now like I'll just
Green, add me. Green.
Green, add me. Do you want to code that? Add me.
Green,
Hold on,
Join me. Okay.
Fuck
yeah. I added you, Duck. Hey,
Could you put this on my face?
Duck guy.
You want it?
Oh, I can tell you how to do green. Join me.
I have a VPN. It's just I didn't know you could still use it.
Join me.
Look, could you put this on my face?
I'm gonna go mining. No, I don't really feel like it. I just don't like it. I'm about to.
Does anybody want to trade?
Okay, this is
Yo,
so
can anybody show me this new 99 Nights in the Forest game because I just got them banned. Wait,
Oh, this
who else
is
has
good.
music?
Show
Who else has
me.
music?
I can make smoothie.
Hey, do you want to trade? I have stuff to trade.
You. How is this even possible?
Who said they wanted to trade?
No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh my office is back. Office is
Show me
showing
the
the
new
news.
99 Nights in the Forest update because I just got banned for 3 days. Or for 3 months.
Do you want to?
Please start kicking me in my
Stop trying
balls,
to
nipple
take my
sucker 9000.
I'm testing.
Wait, orange. Orange.
I didn't do anything.
Orange.
I didn't do
Orange, what's the Okay, you put this on my face. I'll give you a bunch of goo.
Someone. Ugh. Of course, the cheese despawns. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Wait, what? The doors are open? Just throw it on me.
Okay, I need to get something that's good. I need eggs. Where are my eggs? Egg.
I have a bigger version.
Egg. There it is. Egg.
Mom,
Why not just bring the whole bag?
can it dance? Mommy, can it dance? Well, I think that's a giant.
Yeah,
Wanna bring 3 eggs with me? Not 3. 'Cause I got technically unlimited.
No.
So, I'm gonna do Twilight Hammer. Hookshot,
Hello.
Twilight Hammer. Makes good.
I'm going to office, that's why.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Wait, there's office? He added back off.
Because all the complaints that I did. I'm just kidding. I did not complain. That office was wasn't here. The only thing I'm complaining about is like the stupid man. I wanted to bully him when we can. A crazy guy that screams at you that's named manager or something. I wanted to bully him that one day when they pulled out the update. Time to find. Open up! It's FBI! Why did they make it?
laughing dude.
Yo.
The laughing dude's here.
I got a weapon, you stupid ninja! Got him.
Battle of Office. Oh my. What is it? Back at Miss Office.
Okay.
We want to kill that last.
When they pull out the update, you want to know what something funny? When they pulled out the update, I was making a video to bully him.
animal company move?
Where's he? I just want to find the exit. That's all.
You got stuck in here?
No.
You want to
Yeah,
find the
actually,
duplication machine? I believe it's this way.
Yeah, we've been over here.
No,
Yeah, we
not
did.
that way. So it's this way then.
I got a gun.
Okay.
I got him.
He scared the living.
Oh, ammo.
This way.
My gun.
Over here.
Oh.
Over here, White. One of these doors lead to the... Or... Maybe continue straight, actually. Let's continue straight. Yeah,
Wow.
over here.
How did you go through this?
Over here.
How did you go through that?
For me, it's open.
For me, it's closed. It's even.
Come on. Come in. Oh, he's over here. Okay,
Please be ammo. I need ammo.
not this way.
Got some.
Way over here.
We can food.
Over here. This should be it. You're new to the server, huh?
Not new to this update. I'm gonna.
Over here.
Oh,
Up
I'm
here.
so excited. I've never been.
Wait, no.
before.
This is the wrong way.
That way?
Wait, let me look. I got 2 hits on him.
I have no weapon.
I got him. I got him.
Not a bullet or you need bullet.
Okay, get that.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
come on. Come down here.
Let's just check up here.
No, that's to the crazy robot lady.
Where even are you?
I'm down. Come down the stairs. Yeah. It's this way. It has to be. Okay. Okay.
I'm right here.
Oh, over here, over here. I'll kill him, I'll kill him. Yo, come on, go, let's go.
I knew. Wait, is no monster down there?
No, there's no
not.
monster. What do you want? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
This.
Okay. Just give me a sec. I got an egg. So they changed
Do I
it so you
put my
can't
bag
grapple
in?
onto this.
Oh my! It's not even metal.
Yo, wait, I got
Oh,
an
my
egg.
bag.
I got an egg, bro. I got an egg. You don't need to.
Use a teleport gun. Use it.
I don't have one.
Everyone go into
I'm gonna
office.
give you one, bro.
I'm coming up. Okay, I'm back at the teleport machine.
Laughing dude is here.
Right here.
Does anyone want to go to office with me?
Laughing dude, it's the laughing dude.
Okay. Let me bring him. Let me kill him. Yo, little bro. Come tickle me.
Hey, bro, you're so ugly. Why are you so ugly?
Haha, little bro.
What do we get?
RPG. Kill him. Okay.
Everyone take pinata sticks. They
Can
do
you
two
give me
times
your teleport gun
damage to
real
mobs, so it'll be easy to kill.
So I can.
Yeah, I wanna do.
Is anybody going to 99?
Bro, show us. I'm coming to you.
Wait, let me come to office. Oh, don't
Okay.
put my, like, guys, go to
I'm using eggs.
Does anybody want to go to 99?
Is it full yet? Wait, is it full? Yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, it's full. 3,
Give me.
2. Wait, did we get a key card?
No, we didn't. I stay here. I stay here.
Yeah, I'll be back. Leave on this. Keep on this. So it doesn't despawn, and I don't die.
I need food right now.
Okay, I'll be super quick. Yo, White, you want to switch to channel 1 so we can talk to each other?
Got it on channel 1.
Okay. I'll be back.
Well, that's it.
What?
I said bring the laughing guard to me.
I can't.
Okay.
I'm almost to the key cards.
Okay.
No present monster?
Bob hasn't came in yet.
Okay, so you should be coming in soon.
I got the RPG straight at the door. If he does, I'm shooting it.
Okay. Sorry, I got jump scared.
Well, by what?
Little bro tried to sneak up behind me.
Did you die though?
No, I killed him. Please, no sneaking. Thank you. Okay, getting key cards now.
Why did you not revive
Hey,
Yo, yo, yo,
get another
guys,
key
guys,
card.
guys,
Someone put
Guys,
this
do
in
you
your
have key
damn
cards?
backpack. You got another
Yeah.
key card.
guys, do you have at least one key card?
Why did you
Stop,
not
you almost-
revive me? I just joined.
Wrong way, guys! Wrong way! Elevator's down here!
If you be like making the
People are coming, so yeah.
Go, let's leave him, bro. Go, bro! Go!
I don't know which one to
Looks at me, she's
sacrifice.
gay. Karen, if you look at me, you're gay. Look at me and you're gay. She does not there.
just tell them.
Hey, another key card.
Who
Gonna
needs
do
revolver
something
ammo? Stop hitting
Key
me.
card. Give me that. That's mine.
Who needs revolver ammo? I got revolver ammo. Go. I'm so dumb.
Hey, who wants these? Who wants these key cards? I got more key cards.
I do.
I got 2 more key cards.
Some people.
I do. I want
2
them.
more key cards.
The new settings
Here, I'll
they
take
came
one.
out!
I'll
The
take
new
one. I'll
settings
take one.
came
I'll
out!
take one.
The
Then
new
I'll take
settings
one.
came out! The new setting is out!
What did the settings even do?
Go to the settings.
Okay, I'm there.
You see it says 30, 40, 60 creds. You can change your creds. You can change your
does that-
creds.
What does that mean?
It means how fast you can run. You want to go to the...
How do I change it?
So if I put it on 90, I run fast. But if I turn it on 30, I go slow. So what about now?
No.
Yes.
Then I just put it on
Creepy
30.
lady.
I'm gonna jump down the yeah. With 90 beds.
What did you die?
90 beds.
No, creepy lady
Okay,
is just
no,
camping me.
no,
I'm
no.
coming back right now.
30 beds.
Hey, can you kill him, please? Can you kill him?
30 and 90.
Kill her.
Yeah,
No, you're floating under the ground. For me.
What?
You're under the ground.
I don't have a weapon that's
don't look at her. Don't look at her.
Okay, peace. Thank you.
Bro, I made you
Where's
change your settings to make you your phone number shows on the top.
No, no, he didn't. No, he didn't.
It does not show on the top.
Oh, bro, don't do that shit.
Guys, come on, let's go. Guys, follow me. I want to go over here. Follow me. I know where elevator is.
I want that gooey
That ain't
stuff.
the
I want
elevator.
the...
Oh wait, yes.
This is a shortcut and they don't know. Coming back right now.
Where the hell did y'all go? I'm back. Oh.
You know. I do not want to mess with you. here.
I'm right here. I'm right here. I killed him with that. I opened the box again. He's a flame gun.
Okay. Put in your teleport gun.
Oh no.
I got my teleport gun.
Where?
Down to the bottom. I'm back.
Okay, put it in. I'll put it in the key card.
Oh my dingo.
No, it didn't go in.
Try again.
But I keep on throwing it, but I keep on missing.
Just there.
There we go.
What was that sound? I think it like think it's not gonna duplicate it. I don't think it's duplicate.
Let me check. Yeah. Wait.
Bro,
Yeah.
my God,
I was gonna put that in.
That matches. I was just checking if it matches.
Oh, it didn't work. Yeah. Well, can we try the hammer?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's just go.
Okay. I told you people are trying to come. Yo, who's on channel 1 with us? Settings. I need to do something. Device, controllers, and switch thumbsticks. And there. You can do a lot of things, actually.
Who's there?
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
I can.
I'm leaving this place. Guys, stop.
Guys, stop. We got here first.
We got here first. No key card. Where's my friend? Right here.
I'm at top. Now I'm at the bottom. I'm at the bottom.
Do we don't have anything in the machine? I think we already have it.
Dummies.
We don't have anything. We don't have trash or dots. Does nobody know how to work this? Dude,
I do, but all you guys.
Who knows how to work this?
Guys, I know how to work.
You're doing the wrong thing exactly. Because of you. All dead. He came to disappoint us. Mom, my grapple.
One sec.
That's my grapple.
Guys.
You guys are doing it wrong. You guys are wrong. Oh my God.
Guys, I know how to work the machine.
You're stupid. No, the dude over here, he stole my grapple. He stole my grapple.
Guys, I know how to work the machine.
Everybody shut the heck up.
Guys, I know how to work the machine.
Listen to me! You guys are doing it wrong! You guys put the stuff in there up there first and put the card in!
Okay, I'm putting an egg in there. No one do anything.
Something came out! Big boy came out! Big boy came out!
Alright, you're actually retarded.
Okay,
How do you know he's stuck?
it's key card time.
Yo, it worked.
It's all trash.
What's this? Yo, why did you have to take everything? Read something. See ya. Not watch you guys except for the one with the purple hammer. Who the flip took everything? I only got one thing. Hey, friend.
Yo, wait.
Hey, friend.
Are you still here?
You want it? No. You want it? No. No, don't get that normal trophy.
Wait, are you still here?
It's not even normal.
That little kid killed.
something in.
You're White. Are you still
I
here?
just let go of my grappler on accident. I'm up here, bro. Why the flip is there a big whoopee cushion? This is
White,
trash.
you should go back to spawn so we can add each other.
Okay, bro.
I don't want the whoopee cushion. Take my grappler.
Frick you, man. Ow, fudge.
I'm not giving this kid's grappler back, Sensei. I'm not giving it back.
Okay, find the mop spot. Then
I'm just gonna, guys, just put trash in.
the button.
I wanna do something. I wanna do my grappler just big.
Find the door.
Distraction.
Come on, and let's just get big to the freak. This one. Restroom. Yes. I'm out. I'm out. No, I'm not. Okay, fine. I have to go, guys, so bye.